evening. Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Please confirm in the chat box, everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible clearly? Guys, am I audible? Am I audible? Please confirm. Please confirm before we start. Both in YouTube as well as app. App Chandana, Prashant, Kirti, Ranjita. Please confirm. Am I audible or not? Okay, fine. So let us start, guys. One last class in the permutation and combination, forming words. Okay, so forming words. So this will end our permutation and combination concept completely. So let us see what kind of questions we can get. Observe. Suppose if I have a word, let us say Ford. Ford is the word. Now, how many different words I can form? How many different words I can form using all the letters of the word? How many? Now, think about it. When do we get different words? When we rearrange the letters. How many letters are there? 4 letters are there. How many ways we can rearrange them? Exactly 4 factorial ways. Because 4 letters are there. 4 letters are there. So for them 4 places will be there. So if you want to rearrange them, we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. Likewise, suppose if I have a word, speech. Now, how many letters are available now? 6 letters are available. How many ways we can arrange them? 6 factorial ways. That's all. Suppose if I have a word, algorithm. Algorithm. One second. Yeah. Now check out how many letters are there altogether. We have 8 letters. 8 letters can be rearranged in 8 factorial ways. Okay. So this is pretty simple. So no doubt would arise for these level of questions. Suppose if I have a word India. Now how many ways we can arrange them? Observe. 5 letters are there. One thing pretty sure that I can arrange them in 5 factorial ways. But there is a repetition. What is the repetition here? I is repeated 2 times. So what do we do? Divide with the 2 factorial and that will be my answer. India. If I want to arrange how many different words can be formed by using all the letters of the word India. So 5 letters, 5 factorial ways. Apart from that, I repeated it twice. So we divide it with 2 factorial. So that should give us our answer. Suppose, let me take another example. Let's say calculus. Now, firstly, how many letters are there? 8 letters are there. What do we do? 8 factorial. Are we done? No. Repetitions. C repeated 2 times. So we divide with the 2 factorial into L repeated 2 times. So again 2 factorial. U repeated 2 times and that's why another 2 factorial. That will be our final answer. We'll take one more example. Let's say engineering. What is the word? Engineering. Observe. Now you tell me what happens here. Like totally how many letters are there? 11 letters are there. What can I do? 11 factorial divided by E repeated 3 times means 3 factorial. N repeated 3 times, once again 3 factorial. And I repeated 2 times, that is 2 factorial. And G repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. That will be my final answer. Am I clear so far here? Did you understand, everybody? Did you understand? Everyone, please confirm. Okay, in YouTube, please confirm, guys. Am I clear so far, whatever we did here? So we will go to the next type of problems. Okay, once this is done, we can go to the next type of problems in this only. So far we haven't seen any conditions in this question. What happens if the conditions are given? Let us say Conditions are something like this. All vowels should be together. What will be the question? All vowels must be together. What do we do? Observe. All vowels must be together means what? Here, if you see, anyways, there is only one vowel. There is only one vowel. So nothing changes. Answer will be 4 factorial. But when you come to the next question, observe here what is happening. Firstly, we will check which are the vowels. E and A are vowels. And S, P, C, H are consonants. What is the condition here? All the vowels must be together. All the vowels must be together means what do we do? Consider all vowels as one unit. So what happens now? Check out. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. SPCH. 4 consonants and 1 unit of vowels. Totally 5. 5 units, 5 factorial. I'm repeating that point. This is exactly same as all people sitting together. This is same as all boys sitting together. We have done in the previous case. Observe here. Where was that? Yeah. Boys sitting together. What we used to do? Consider all boys as one unit. Likewise, here also what do we do? All vowels must be together means consider all vowels as one unit. Now 4 consonants plus 1 unit of vowels. 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 5 factorial. Done. But we are not yet done with the final solution. Still, I can rearrange vowels among themselves. 2 vowels, 2 factorial. That will be my answer. Let us look at the another example. What do we have here? Algorithm. First, what do? We separate the vowels. Which are those? A, O, remaining are consonants, which are those L, G, R, T, H, M. So what do we do? Consider these as one unit. Consider these as one unit. Now observe. 6 units of vowels plus 3 units of plus 1 unit of 6 units of consonants, 1 unit of vowels. 6 plus 1, 7. So what do we do? 7 factorial. Still what we have to do? We have to rearrange vowels. 3 vowels can be rearranged in 3 factorial. Am I clear? Are you understanding this? Are you understanding this? Please respond. Please respond, everybody. Are you understanding this? Yes? Okay, good. Now, let us see India. What happens here whenever there is India? What do we do? We'll take I, A. These are vowels we'll consider as one unit. Apart from them, consonants, N and D. Now check out. How many units totally? 2 consonants and 1 unit of vowels means that is 3 factorial. Into. Still we need to arrange vowels. 3 vowels, 3 factorial. But still we have to divide the repetitions. In the vowels, 2 i's are repeating. So that's why 2 factorial. So this is how we do when we have repetitions with us. Let us check this. So initially I have to separate out vowels. A, U, U. And then comes consonants C, C, L, L, S. Check this. Consider vowels as one unit. So now 5 units of consonants plus 1 unit of vowels. Altogether 6 units, 6 factorial. Not yet done. Wait, don't go to vowels yet. In consonants there are repetitions. 2 C's, 2 factorial, 2 L's, 2 factorial. And now we have to arrange vowels. 3 vowels, 3 factorial. Within them 2 U's are there. That's 2 repetitions. So that's why another 2 factorial. And that will be my final answer. That will be my final answer. Okay. Am I clear so far? Am I clear so far? Everybody. Everybody. Okay. Last example. Observe. Engineering. What do we have? 3 E's are there. And 2 I's are there. These are vowels. Consonants N, 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 G, G, R. That's it. How many vowels? 5 vowels. Consider them as one unit. Now 6 consonants plus 1 unit of vowels means 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. That will become 7 factorial. Divided by repetition of the consonants. What do we get? 3 factorial for N's, 2 factorial for 2 G's. And still we need to do what? Vowels. We have to arrange vowels. 5 vowels, 5 factorial divided by 3 is 3 factorial into 2 is 2 factorial. So this is how we deal with when he says all vowels must be together. Am I clear so far? Am I clear so far? Please confirm so that we can continue further. We will see a few more types of questions. Okay, yeah. Now suppose, observe, if the questions are something, if the word question is something like this. Let us say the word given is, let's say, test tube. No, let me take calculus itself. Calculus. All words must begin and end with C. All words must begin and end with the C. Okay, observe what can be done. Firstly, how many places are there? 8 places are there. We will put 8 places here. Observe carefully. Look at the condition. 8 places. Yeah. All must begin with the C and end with the C. So I can fill this place in only one way. I can fill this place in only one way. Still, how many places are there? 6 places are there. For them, 6 letters are there. 6 places, 6 letters are there. Now, so I can arrange them in how many ways? 6 factorial ways divided by repetitions. Repetitions is what? U repeated 2 times, L repeated 2 times. Now don't take another 2 factorial for C. Why? I have already placed C here. First place can be filled in only one way, that is C. Second place can also be filled in only one way, that is also C. So we will get there 1 into 1. So we need not to bother about repetition of the C here. Okay, so still remaining 6 places, 6 factorial. 6 places, 6 letters, 6 factorial divided by repetitions. L repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. U repeated 2 times, so that's why another 2 factorial. Am I clear with this question? Am I clear with this question? So that we can go with another type of variation. Everyone? Yeah, okay. Now look at another variation. Another variation. Suppose if I give you this. Algorithm, my condition will be something like this. All vowels must occupy only odd places. Only odd places. Understand that carefully. Vowels must come in only odd places, nowhere else. Let us see what can we do. Firstly, we will check how many letters? 9 letters. Means 9 places. Okay. Now first check which are the odd places. Which are the odd places? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd places. How many are there? 5 places are there. Now vowels must come in only these places, nowhere else. So what do we do? Observe this carefully. Which are the vowels? A, O, I. Agree? How do we arrange them? Rest are consonants. Now we don't have any condition on, consonants, but on the vowels, they must occupy only the odd places. So what do we do? Observe carefully. Guys, for how many odd places are there? How many odd places are there? You tell me. How many odd places are there? In the given arrangement, how many odd places? 5 odd places are there. Now, when the first letter goes inside, first vowel goes inside, It has 5 places, so it can be arranged in 5 ways. It can be arranged in 5 ways. When the second vowel goes inside, still there will be 4 places. It can take any of the place, first letter. It can be in the first position, third, fifth, seventh, or ninth. We don't know. Okay, we don't know. But it might have taken any one place. So once the first letter is placed, yes, exactly, Chandana. So for the second vowel, we will still have how many places? 4 odd places. So it can be arranged in 4 ways. And finally, third letter. For that, there will be 3 places. It can be arranged in 3 ways. But this is not the final answer. Now, guys, 3 vowels are arranged. Now you tell me how many places are occupied so far? Out of 9 places, how many places are occupied so far? 3 places, right? 3 vowels took 3 places. Still, how many places are there? Still, how many places are there? 6 places are there. Chandana, still not total places I'm asking Chandana. Out of 9 places, 3 places are occupied. Still 6 places are there. Agree? For 6 places, there are 6 consonants. How do you arrange? 6 letters in 6 consonants are there. 6 places are there. How do you arrange 6 letters in 6 places now? Anybody? 6 factorial. That's all. This is my answer. This is my answer. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 6 factorial, that would be final answer. Okay. So what if the same condition is for engineering? Let us see. If it is for the word engineering, what do we have first? We'll take 11 places. 11 places. How many odd places are there? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. How many odd places are there this time? You tell me. 6 odd places are there. Now let us check our vowels first. Totally 11 letters, out of which vowels are E, 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 I, I. Again, consonants are N, 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 G, G, R. Now, look. When the first vowel goes inside, how many places are there for it? 6 places. So it can be arranged in 6 ways. Second vowel 5 ways. Third vowel 4 ways. Fourth vowel 3 ways. Fifth vowel 2 ways. But careful, repetition divided by. What are the repetitions this time? 3 E's means 3 factorial into 2 I's 2 factorial. Done. Next, consonants. Out of 11 places, 5 places are occupied now. So still 6 places are there. For them 6 consonants are there. 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, and that will be my final answer. Am I clear? Did you understand these kind of questions? Everybody? Everyone? So slightly I will increase the difficulty level now. Slightly I will increase the difficulty level. Observe. Logarithms. Okay. So we see how many 5-letter words can be formed. Simple question. How many 5-letter words can be formed? 5-letter word means we will be having how many places? 5 places. 5-letter word means 5 places. Now check out totally how many places are there? Totally how many places are, how many letters are there? We have 10 letters with us. Okay. But we want only 5-letter word. Are there any repetitions? No. So I want a 5-letter word means first place can be filled in 10 ways because there are 10 letters we have. Second place can be filled in 9 ways. This is 8 ways. This is 7 ways. This is 6 ways. That's all. Nothing much. Or you can even do something like this. What we can do? I have 10 letters. I need only 5 letters. Select. Selecting 5 out of 10. How many ways I can do that? 10C5. Once we select, arrange them. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Both the things will give you absolutely same answer. Okay. Now, problem is not here. Problem comes when the question is something like this. Observe. Let me say, word is this. No, it will be difficult for you. Let me take simpler word initially. Yeah. Teacher. I want only 4-letter words. Careful guys, a tricky question. Tricky question, high level question, okay? 4-letter words. I want only 4-letter words. What we can do here, observe. You cannot directly, take 4 places and then we'll do 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by repetitions. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. There are different cases here. Let me show you all of them individually. Stay attention people, slightly difficult it is. Case 1. Now firstly, we will see repetitions are only 2 A's, right? I need 4-letter words means I can have something like this. Both the letters are same and 2 different letters. This is one kind, one case. Another case, the words can be something like this, all different letters. These are the only 2 cases here. Understand? In the case 1, I can have 2 same letters and another 2 different letters. In another case, I can have all different letters. Observe. In the first case, I need a pair. We have how many pairs? Only one pair. Remaining all T, A, C, H, R. It will be slightly confusing now. Stay with me. I need one pair here. 2x. I need one pair. How many pairs we have? Exactly, we have one pair. So first select that one. How do I select? There is only one pair, 1C1. And still, when I take one pair, it means I took 2 E's. I took one pair. 2 E's are done. Still, we need 2 more letters. But for us, how many letters are available? 5 letters are available. From them, I need only 2 letters. How do I select? 5C2. And now 4 letters are selected. How? 1C1 is selecting one pair. Only one pair is there. I will take that one pair. 1C1 ways, that will give us only 1. Into. Still, I need 2 more different letters. That should be selected from TCSNqt. From 5 letters, I need to select 2 letters. So that becomes 5C2. Now 4 letters are selected. We have to arrange them. Selection and now arrangement. 4 letters, 4 factorial. Repetition is 2 factorial. Because of 2 E's. Or second case. I need all letters must be different. Tell me how many different letters are there with us? How many different letters are there with us? Anybody? Six different letters are there. From them, we need only 4. What do we select? 6C4 into 4 factorial. Selection 6C4. Because I can take only one E. I can take one E as well. In the 4 different letters, what I need, W, X, Y, Z here, I can take one E as well in that. So totally 6 different letters are there. Now this E is there, right? Double E that can act as a pair as well as a single letter. So out of 6 letters, we need 4 letters. So 6C4 and arranging them 4 factorial. Now within this, there is no repetition now. So this is the answer for this question. Now this is the basic level of question here. Did you understand? Only if you understand, you will understand the next question or else no. Did you understand this question? Everybody. Case 1. I'm explaining Chandana. Observe. In case 1, look, this is the pattern I wrote here. This is the pattern what I wrote. Double X, Y, Z. What is the meaning of it? It means I can have 2 same letters and 2 different letters. Okay. 2 same letters means what? I need one pair. I need one pair and 2 singles. In the word teacher, how many pairs are there? There is only one pair. That is E and E. That is E and E. 2 E's are there. That is one pair. So anyways, in the case 1, I need one pair and we also have only one pair in the teacher. We need to select that pair at any cost. Only one is there, one pair, selecting one pair out of one pair. How many? One pair. How many ways we can select? 1C1 ways. Now, when I selected a pair, how many letters are selected there? 2 letters are selected, right? When I selected a pair, 2 letters are selected. Still, we need 2 more letters in the place of Y and Z. So those 2 letters must be selected from where? TACHR, singles. 5 singles are there. We need 2 singles. So 5 C2 ways. Now one pair is selected, 2 singles are selected. Means 4 letters are selected. We can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. Since there are 2 E's, we have to divide with 2 factorial. Am I clear now, case 1? Am I clear now, case 1? Everyone, others? Because unless you understand this, you don't understand the next problem. One final problem here. Tricky one. Tricky one. Observe. What do we have? Preposition? No. Let it be. Let's not use this. Let me take another word. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, we shall take this only. Fine, no problem. Preposition. This is the word. Okay. Or one second. Let me take proposition instead of preposition. Let me take proposition. It will be more difficult then. Observe. I need only 4-letter words. Careful. I need only 4-letter words. Now check the different cases what we get. First, how many O's are there? 3 O's are there. A triplet. And then pairs. How many pairs? P and P will make 1 pair. I and I will make 1 pair. Any other pairs are there? No. And then singles. Which are those? R, S, T. That's it. Check out. Count how many totally. Am I right? 11 must be there. 7 plus 4. Perfect. Now observe. When I say 4-letter word, observe what all the different cases we get here. Look. In my 4-letter word, I can have same 3 letters, 1 different letter. Let us call it as case 1. Case 2. I can have 2 pairs, or I can have a pair and 2 singles, or I can have all singles. These are the 4 cases. Understand. In the first case, I can have a triplet and 1 single letter. In the second case, I can take directly 2 pairs. In the third case, I can take a pair and 2 singles. In the fourth case, I can take all the different letters, that is 4 singles. Did you understand the cases here? Did you understand the cases, everybody? Only if you understand the cases, I can go to the problem. Everyone, please confirm. Okay, yeah. Now observe. In the case 1, I need a triplet. How many triplets are there with us? How many triplets are there with us in preposition? 1. So I need to select that any cost, that is 1C1 base. Now when I selected a triplet, how many letters are selected now? How many letters we have already selected? You tell me. 3 letters. Now still we need 1 letter. Can anybody tell me how do I select that next letter? 1 letter. Let's see. Can anybody answer? Second letter. How many ways I can select that single letter? Anyone? No, Prashant. I can take 1 I also. I can take 1 P as well. You are counting only singles. I can take one I and one P or one P as well, right? Those also I should consider. Now think about it and tell me the answer. No, Chandana, I'm asking. My question is only how many ways I can select a single letter. I'm asking how many ways I can select a single letter. I'm asking about selection. No, Lakshmi, we need only one letter. We need only one letter. You are selecting three letters there. Manohar, right answer. 6 ways or 6C1. Why? Observe. I can select that last letter from either these three or from here or one. I can take one from how apart from O. Now O already selected. We cannot select O anymore. Apart from O, how many different types of letters are there? Check out. How many different types of letters are there apart from O? 6. From those 6, I need any one letter. That is 6C1. Am I clear with the selections? Am I clear with the selections, everybody? Now, totally how many letters we selected now? Totally how many letters we selected now? You tell me. One triplet, one single. Means how many letters are selected? No, 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 no. How many letters? How many letters? Wrong. One triplet, one single, 4 letters. In triplet, 3 letters are there. In single, 1 letter are there. 1 letter is there. Now, selections are done. Arrangement. How do I arrange? Now, these 4 letters, you tell me the arrangement part. How do I select? How do I arrange these 4 letters? Anyone? How do we arrange these 4 letters? Look, you can do arrangement by looking at this, by looking at that word. Anybody? 4 letters, how do we arrange? No one? Guys, pretty simple. 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. But repetition, there are 3 repetitions. There are 3 repetitions, that is 3 factorial, that's all. Why are you getting extra 2 factorial, Chandana? No. Only 3 O's are repeating. That's why we divide with 3 factorial. That's all. Are you getting my point? Everyone? P and I, no, you will be taking only one letter, right? Only one letter. Either you will be taking P or you will be taking I. You're not taking both of them, two from them. You'll be taking any one letter, that's all. Look, 4 letter. This is the 4 letter word. Check out this. 4 letters, 4 factorial. 3 same letters, that's why 3 factorial. You're not taking 2P's and 2I's. Either you'll be taking 1P or 1I, 1R or S or T or N. Am I clear now? Am I clear with the repetition here? Everybody? Now, come to this one. We need, how many pairs do we need? How many pairs do we need? 2. Can anybody tell me how do I select 2 pairs here? How many ways I can select 2 pairs? Anyone? Anyone? How many ways we can select them? Selections. Chandana, no, wrong. That is 3C2, not a 2C2. I'll tell you. I'll tell you that also why. Look, 2 pairs means I can take 2P's, 2I's. I can take 2O's as well. Think about it. I can make a pair out of 3 O's also, right? I can take 2O's. So how many pairs are available with us? 3 pairs are available with us. I can take 2O's, 2P's, 2I's. So out of those 3 pairs, look, simple thing, guys. A triplet will act as a triplet, a pair as well as single. A pair will act as a pair as well as a single. That you have to remember. Now, we selected 2 pairs, means how many letters we selected? 2 pairs means how many letters we selected? You tell me. We selected 2 pairs, means 4 letters. Now tell me the arrangement of 4 letters. You can look at this and tell me. You can look at this and tell me. How do we arrange those 4 letters? Arrangement, Prashant. Arrange, I am asking. We are done with the selection part. Selection and arrangement. When you selected 2 pairs, 4 letters are selected. How do you arrange them? Wrong, 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 wrong. 4 factorial is fine. 2 pairs means 2x, 2x, 2 fact Chandana, perfect, 2 factorial, and for 2y's 2 factorial. Because 2 pairs are there inside. 2 of the same letter. So that's why 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Did you understand? Did you understand case 2? Everybody. Did you understand case 2? Now come to case 3. How many pairs do we want this time? How many pairs do we want this time in the case 3? 1. Can anybody tell me how do I select 1 pair? How do I select? Check out how many are available. How many pairs are available? How many you want? Good. Excellent, guys. You are getting this now. 3C1. I can take 2 O's or 2 P's or 2 I's. Right? I need 1 pair. 3 are available. 3C1. Still, I need 2 singles. This is a tricky part. Still, you need to select 2 singles. Let us see who will give me the right answer. 2 singles. How do I select 2 singles? Selection. How do we select 2 singles? This is the tricky part. No, Prashant. C2. Very good, very good, very good. I'll tell you why. Look, out of 3 pairs are available, you have selected 1 pair. Let us assume you have selected O's, 2 O's. It means you cannot select O anymore. In the next 2 singles for YZ, you cannot select O anymore. So apart from, if I remove that 1 pair, still how many different letters are there? R, S, T, N, P, I. 6 letters are there. From those 6 different letters, I need 2 letters. So that is the reason why we take 6C2. Did you understand? Why 6C2? Did you understand, everybody? Did you understand the 6C2 part? Everyone? Everyone? Okay, good, good. Now, tell me the arrangement for this. Selections are done. 1 pair, 2 singles, 4 letters done. Perfect. 4 letters, 4 factorial. 2 letters are repeating, 2 factorial. Now, finally, in the case 4, you need all different letters, 4 different letters. Tell me, how do you select 4 different letters from the given letters? Let us see who will come up with the right selection. Excellent, guys. Very good. How many different letters are there? 7 are there. I need to select any 4. 7C4 into arrangement 4 factorial, no repetitions are there. So this is my final answer. This is my final answer. So that is end of forming words. That is the end of forming words. Yeah, still there are a few more types, because I can say, we can calculate number plates. Like, different questions will be like, we can have different number plates. Or we can form a rank of a word. Rank of a word. There are many types are there still, okay? But for you, they are not, required people. This is for CAT level exam, of which you don't require. This is the highest level of the question you can ever get in your PNC people. Okay, so for engineering placements, you do not need beyond these level questions. The preposition, this word itself is a very difficult question for you. So first time, it is pretty difficult to crack. You need to solve the same question 2 to 3 times, only then you get the clarity, people. So if you want to practice more, try with the same 4-letter word for the word engineering. Try for this word. Same 4-letter word. You will understand how challenging it is. Okay, so that is the end of a permutation and a combination. Finally, we have done 6 classes on this, people, permutation and combination. So I suggest this is more than sufficient for you guys in permutation and combination. Okay, yes, there might be few, I might have skipped a few of the types, but I tried to cover all the different types of the questions that you can come across in permutation and combination. So our next topic will be what? Probability. Soon after this, we will discuss another confusing concept, people, probability. Did you understand PNC completely, everybody? Did you understand permutation and combination completely? Everyone? Yes, so if any of you did not watch the previous videos, still there are 5 videos apart from this class in permutation and combination, guys. So please do watch them. Please do watch them. Only then, you will get the perfection in this topic. And permutation and combination is such a topic, people, where you cannot remember all the types. You have to repeat them. You have to repeat them. If you try to look at this question often after half an hour, people, trust me, you cannot solve it on your own. If you try it, the same question after half an hour, you can't solve it. The same word preposition. So that is the speciality of the, what is the topic? Permutation and combination. You have to repeat them if you have to master, guys. So anybody, any doubt so far? Anybody, any doubt? As I told you, Python classes will start from 4th of October. And please do refer your friends as well for the Python classes, guys. Okay, so Python classes, as I told you, I will be charging 500 rupees, and you know why I'm charging this. Java, no Chandana. I will not be taking up Java, but only the Python. Only Python. Okay, you why I selected Python, you will get to know. Don't worry about Java. Why I'm teaching Python, you will get to know when you attend the demo classes. First 5 days will be demo classes. Why I'm particularly concentrating on Python but not Java, you'll understand when you attend the classes. Am I clear? Okay, and this also I'm charging people only for a simple reason. Why? If I give the content free, people don't value it, just like what is happening now. So that is the reason why I'm keeping, for the namesake, I'm keeping the charge, guys. Okay, so anybody, any doubt? So please do share with your friends as well. Okay, so if possible, tell your juniors or seniors. Okay, whoever are interested, they can take up, people. Okay, so that is all from my side, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. If you don't have any doubts. Prashant and Chandana Manohar. Prashant, Chandana, Manohar. Text me in WhatsApp, people. Text me in WhatsApp personally on this number. Text me in WhatsApp. What is that number? 938002697. On this number, send a message in the WhatsApp, people. I'll talk to you guys. Okay. Okay, guys. And not in the group, Chandana. Send a personal message. Send a personal message, guys. All 3 of you, send a personal message. Okay. So that is all. We'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow again. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night ahead, people.